In this lecture, we are going to do some further image optimization in addition to compressing the images on our website. For this, we are going to use a plugin called A3 Lazy Load plugin. Lazy Load feature is already available in Jetpack settings too. If you are using Lazy Load under Jetpack, then you don't need to enable this plugin or install this plugin at all. But A3 Lazy Load provides you some comprehensive options in addition to just lazy loading the images alone. So let's see what's that by installing and configuring this plugin. Go to Add New under Plugins page. Search for A3 Lazy Load. Install this A3 Lazy Load plugin by A3 Rev Software. Once installed, click Activate. Let's go to the settings of this plugin to configure it. Turn on this Cleanup on Deletion or this Housekeeping option. If in the future, if you are going to deactivate or delete this plugin, then this housekeeping option will completely remove all the tables and data it created while you have configured this plugin. So let me enable it. And then coming to lazy load activation, you need to turn this option on or enable it. Coming to lazy load images, you need to turn on all these 6 options under this lazy load images tab. Lazy load is nothing but loading the images only when a website's visitor scrolls and sees the image. That is, if some images are below the fold or below the screen where you need to scroll down and see, then those images are loaded only when a visitor scrolls down and sees it. Till the time that image is not loaded, so that your page speed is not affected by loading lot of images in your website. This is called lazy loading of images. So we are going to enable this lazy load feature in content, widgets, for post thumbnails, for gravatar comments, and this no script support acts as a fallback to show images for users who have JavaScript disabled in their browser. We can also enable this lazy load for videos and iframes if you're using iframes and videos in your website, such as embedded YouTube videos, etc. If you want to exclude a particular page type or a particular URL from lazy loading the images, you can exclude them here, or you can exclude certain page types like post categories, post tags, etc. But generally, you don't need to exclude anything. Coming to script load optimization, set it to footer and expand WordPress mobile template plugins. Disable it on WP Touch and then on Mobile Press. Coming to effect and style, you can choose any effect that you wish, like spinner or fade in. You can choose background color of your website's background color. Instead of white, I can even choose this background color, like somewhat like this. Image load threshold, just let it to 0. Coming to Jetpack Site Accelerator. We have already installed Jetpack and we are using its free image CDN protocol. So we need to enable this option. Now click Save Changes. Now let's visit our website. You can see these images appearing only when I scroll down. That's the fade in effect. So this lazy load is working. In the next lecture, let's see how you can reduce your server response time.